Are you ready to change your financial destiny, starting right now? Today, we're not just talking about money, we're talking about becoming a magnet for wealth and success. I'll share the core secrets that separate the wealthy from those who just wish for it. This is about actionable steps you can take as soon as this video ends. Forget slow, outdated advice. We're going to rewire your blueprint for financial success. You don't need a degree or a trust fund, just a decision that you're worthy and capable of wealth. If you're ready to stop chasing money and start attracting it, you're in the right place. Let's ignite your power and build the life you deserve. Let's begin. The real reason most people fail financially, it's not the economy or their job, it's their mindset. Your beliefs about money are the foundation of your financial life. If you think money is evil or that you're not good with it, you'll sabotage your own success. Start by writing down every negative belief you have about money. Recognize these aren't truths, they're just old stories you've picked up. Decide to let them go. Feel the pain they've caused and use it to fuel your change. Replace them with empowering beliefs. I am a money magnet. Wealth flows to me easily. Say these incantations with energy. Morning, night, whenever you need a boost. Your brain can't tell the difference between what's real and what's vividly imagined. By flooding your mind with new beliefs, you rewire yourself for wealth. Suddenly, you'll see opportunities you missed before and act with new confidence. This is the non-negotiable first step. You can't receive $1 million signal on a $10 mindset. Upgrade your beliefs, expect success, act like you're already wealthy, and the world will respond. You are the author of your money story. The pen is in your hand. Tear out the old chapter and write a new one of abundance and contribution. The change happens the moment you decide. Commit to a wealth mindset and condition it daily. Your inner world creates your outer world. Master your mind and you'll master your money. With a new mindset, you need a target. Clear, specific financial goals. Vague wishes like "I want more money" don't work. Power comes from clarity. Write down exactly how much you want, why you want it, and by when. Connect your goal to a powerful reason. Freedom, security, contribution. Set a deadline. A goal without a date is just a dream. Break big goals into smaller steps. Yearly, monthly, weekly, daily. Every small win builds momentum and confidence. Write your goals by hand and put them where you'll see them daily. Review them morning and night to program your mind for success. Your brain's reticular activating system will start spotting opportunities everywhere. When you're clear, you get lucky. But it's really focus. Take the time to define your financial vision. Give it a number, a reason, a date, and break it into steps. This clarity is your map to wealth. Don't wander. Design your future. Be the architect of your financial life. Your future is waiting for you to claim it. Start now. Set your GPS. The journey begins with a single clear step. Let's move forward. The most powerful practice for abundance? Daily, radical gratitude. You can't feel fear or scarcity when you're truly grateful. Most people live in "I'll be happy when" mode, always focusing on what's missing. Gratitude shifts your focus to what you have, signaling abundance to your mind and the universe. Be grateful for every dollar, every opportunity, every lesson. Start a daily gratitude ritual. 3 things every morning, felt deeply, not just listed. This primes your brain to see blessings and opportunities all day. Grateful people attract more clients, more money, more positivity. What you appreciate appreciates. Gratitude is high-frequency energy. It attracts wealth. When you get a bill, feel gratitude for the service and your ability to pay. Make gratitude non-negotiable, more important than your morning coffee. Tonight, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Flood your mind with appreciation before sleep. You'll wake up energized and abundant. This is how you open the floodgates to wealth. Start your gratitude practice today. Watch your life transform. Mindset is your foundation. Goals are your destination. Gratitude is your fuel, but action is the bridge. Nothing changes without massive, consistent action. Success isn't about one big effort. It's about small daily habits that compound. Make 5 sales calls, learn a new skill, track your expenses every day. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Don't wait for the perfect plan, start now. Adopt canny, constant, and never-ending improvement. Take imperfect action and adjust as you go. What's one thing you can do today to move closer to your goal? Do it now. Motion creates emotion. Action builds momentum and confidence. Use the 5-second rule. When you think of an action, move within 5 seconds. Consistency builds self-trust and self-esteem. Schedule your priorities, block time for your most important financial activities. If it's not on your calendar, it's not real. Protect your time like it's a meeting with your future self. Stop learning and start doing. Implementation is what changes your life. Close the gap between what you know and what you do. Be a doer, not just a dreamer. Take your mindset, goals, and gratitude and put them into motion. What's your first step? Take it now, your future self is waiting. Show me your friends, and I'll show you your future. Your circle shapes your financial destiny. Are your friends lifting you up or holding you back? Their beliefs and habits are contagious. Protect your mindset. Surround yourself with people who think bigger. Seek mentors who've achieved what you want. One conversation can save you years. Join mastermind groups, collaborate, brainstorm, and hold each other accountable. Feed your mind with success. Read books, listen to empowering podcasts, watch educational content. Go on an information diet. Replace negativity with inspiration. Your physical environment matters too. Is your space organized and inspiring? A cluttered space reflects a cluttered mind. Create an environment that supports your goals. Think of yourself as a plant. Thrive in the right environment. Take inventory. Who influences you? What do you consume? What does your space look like? Make one upgrade today. Reach out to someone inspiring, buy a great book, clean your workspace. Proximity is power. Put yourself near success and it becomes inevitable. Your environment is your soil and sun. Choose wisely. Step out of your comfort zone for your future self. Upgrade your circle, your input, and your space. Your network is your net worth. Build it with intention. Success is contagious. Catch it. In today's world, your greatest asset is your mind and your ability to learn. The most successful people are lifelong learners. They adapt and grow constantly. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to learning something that improves your finances or skills. Read, listen to podcasts, take courses, invest in your knowledge, but learning alone isn't enough. You must also invest your money. Don't just work for money, make your money work for you. Start small if you need to, but start now. Time in the market beats timing the market. Automate your investments, set up automatic transfers so investing becomes a habit. Pay yourself first, before anything else. Every dollar is a little soldier. Send them to work for you, not just to be spent. Invest in yourself first, then in assets like index funds, real estate, or your own business. Never invest in what you don't understand. Educate yourself. The key is consistency. Automate and repeat. Make a dual commitment, keep learning, and keep investing. What will you learn today? What will you invest in this week? This two-pronged approach, growing your mind and your money, is unstoppable. Build your financial army and your freedom. Start your engines of growth now. Top performers use visualization, a focused mental rehearsal for success. Your brain can't tell the difference between a vividly imagined experience and reality. Every day, close your eyes and picture your ideal financial future as if it's already real. See the details, hear the sounds, feel the emotions, pride, security, freedom. The more emotion you bring, the more powerful the effect. Visualization programs your subconscious to seek out and create your vision. It helps you overcome fear and self-doubt. You've already lived your success. Consistency is key. Just 5 minutes a day can change your life. Make your mental movie vivid and emotional. This is your training ground for greatness. Don't dismiss it. This is neuroscience, not fluff. The world's top achievers use it, so should you. You are the director of your life's movie. See it, feel it, then act to make it real. Use your mind to build your empire from the inside out. You now have the keys and the blueprint. Knowledge is only potential power. Execution is what changes your life. The person you'll be in 5 years depends on what you do today. Don't let this be just another video. Let it be your turning point. Choose one thing and implement it now. If you're ready to become a money magnet, show your commitment. Like, subscribe, and share. Your journey to wealth is a movement, not a solo mission. Go out, take action, and create your financial destiny. I believe in you. Now believe in yourself.